Welcome to the Bitcoin daily market update, and let me just start directly with this price level, this golden level 63,666. And in all of my videos from the last couple of days, I've been talking about this specific level, the importance of this level, and the volatility around this price level. The one main thing I want you guys to understand is in any given day, which I have already talked about in my other videos, but I'm just repeating it. In any given day, right now I'm in a 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. So here we are in the daily time frame. In any given day, if any of the daily candle closed below here and started trading here, then these levels are going to open up, these levels, okay, this level, and I mean the chance of the 60 is very low, but still I am taking into the consideration if price also, in the case when price also break below this 61,384 level also. But these two levels are there. So I think in coming this we are in the end of the July month, and we are left with one more day, July, August. In the August month, or in the first or a second week, or maybe within first or in a second week, there will be a correction. The correction has to do with the level, these level. The first one is 62,503.09, and then second one is 61,384. So these two price level are the levels where price eventually try to go for, and the condition is if any given day in any one daily candle, this thing happens, this candle sort of a thing happens. But since from the last couple of days, every candle is trying to try to keep remain above this level, and that's why I have always in my other videos said the importance of this level. Price has to keep on trading above this level, specifically in the daily time frame. And if we go look at the 4 hour time frame, we see here in some of the cases, specifically here, it there was this closing below this level, but eventually there is a recovery, there is a yeah, recovery, and then price again closed. And because the thing is, this level 63,666 level has to do with the daily levels. So until the daily time frame itself closed below this level somewhere here and started trading, daily has to close here, okay, and then only we will see the downside. And the downside has to do with this 2 to 3 or maybe 4% correction. Eventually this is going to happen with BTC. So watch out for this specific level. As long as in the lower time frame, starting a lower time frame means 4 hour. Let me just go with the time frame specific. This is 4 hour. Okay, this is 1 hour, this is 15 minute, and this is 5 minute. As long as the price of this BTC trading above this golden level 63,666 in a lower time frame, starting with 4 and then all the other lower time frame, then in between there will be some move for the upside. We have already seen in 5 minute and 15 minute, including 1 hour also, we have seen these moves comes back down, support. This again another move, again reclaim the price, reclaimed here, again move, and here same similar sort of a movement, reclaim and move. Now let's talk about the daily uh, sort of a view. Okay, what's going to happen? Though I've already covered almost major portion because of this level 63666, but let's talk about some uh, of the levels which we have to take into the consideration. So starting with the 4 hour level itself, let's talk about the 4 hour. Okay, because now I'm talking in the lower time frame, and that has to do with the entire day session until the day closing. So this is the first price level 64,292, where I mean if we take a look here, this is where price is already getting a rejection. Okay, so first level is this level in 1 hour and below low. This level has to do with uh, 4 hour itself, and also in the lower time frame. And why I am taking the 4 hour as a main time frame, similar to this level, the golden 6366 level, uh, in any 4 hour candle, if price closed above this level, then and after closing it, the price has to keep remain above this level. First of all, that's the condition. Always this is the condition. Price has to keep remain above this level. See, if we take a look here, this candle is closed above it, this level, but eventually, and during this after, we can see here after the closing in this candle, the next 4 hour this candle, we see this consolidation, and the consolidation is above this specific level, consolidation in terms of support above that level during the 4 hour time frame candle. And then eventually the next 4 hour candle which we see here, it closed below this specific level 63 64 292, this level 64 292 level. And then after that, it's very much clear, the next candle here is whole, because of the closing below this level, there is this bearish move. I mean, we see that. And then here this level, the daily level, comes back again, and then price is trading currently in sort of a temporary up move. And as long as price is below this 4 hour 64 to 92 level, the trend is for, the trend will remain for the downside. And the downside, we have this in the entire day, this level will act as an, kind of a major support. And that also is going to be valid only when any higher this 4 hour time frame, not any, but in terms of high time frame specific, this is a daily time frame level. So uh, and in terms of daily activity, the 4 hour has to reclaim this level for the time being, as every time in the daily session. And then only we see the move for the upside, temporary. And let's talk about the levels, the same level, this level. Okay, this level, after, for an, in any given 4 hour candle, if let's suppose this similar to this sort of a candle, if happened here, then there are other price level which we already have, which is going to, which eventually going to act as an sort of a resistance, and price will face some sort of a selling pressure. This level itself, if I do this and then go and sync it here, and similar to this one, sync it over here. So these are the price level, even including this level, this one, the highlighted one, this. Okay, these level will act as in resistance in the upside. This one, let me color it red. This one, this one, all these prices or levels will act as in resistance, and that is only possible if price maintain or sustain above this level 64 to 92 level. And along with this, let me just add another level, which is 64 167, this level. Okay, 64, I think this is the 64. Let me change the color here. Okay, 64087. And currently the price where it is trading, it's slightly above, you know, this level, right? So what is going to happen? What's going to happen is, currently price is resisting this specific level, and during this ongoing activity, price is trying to take this level as in support and keep remain above this level. And this is also has to do with the latest 4-hour level, which I've just added in the chart. In any 4-hour candle, we are now left with 8 minutes for the beginning of the 4-hour candle, right? And in the new 4-hour candle, if candle closed below this level, something like this, if some sort of a thing happened here, and if it closed here below this level in a specifically closing has to do with the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour candle, and if it starts trading here down here, then this price level will be the level for the day, where the price will go for. And we have always seen from the last few days, price is trying to go and trying to take a support here. So this is what we have in the BTC for today's activity. So watch out for these levels which I have, talked about. And let me just add another level to which I think may gonna happen something, if in case of there is a high volatility, this level, because I think today's FOMC meeting, something like that. So this level is another level where the price gonna get a rejection, and that's only possible, first of all, price has to break all these levels, all these three levels, and then should be keep on trading in this level above this 64,975. Or sometime the volatility, due to the volatility, price may break all these and then make a very big green candle there. That sort of a thing can also happen, so watch out for these levels. And yeah, that's all for now. And let me just add a disclaimer here: everything which I am talking in these videos, sort of a videos which I am sharing with you guys, the, this all in all of my videos there are levels, and I'm not recommending anyone to take action on the basis of my analysis. Please do your own research and analysis for any sort of financial decision. The videos which I'm making is only for the educational and information purposes. So with that note, if my analysis brings any value in your analysis, please do like the video. And for subscribe and notification, you can do that if you are interested in all these sort of videos. So yeah, with that note, thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in another video tomorrow or next any other analysis. Bye bye for now. Take care.